In this video, I will show you how to create an assignment that allows you to have a Qualtrics survey that automatically passes grades back to the assignment when the student completes the survey. So to do this, you have to do something in Canvas, which I've got a Canvas course pulled up here, and you also have to do something in Qualtrics. So I'm going to show you both sides of what have to happen. So in Canvas, you are going to create an assignment, and this is the assignment where the points will be stored. And I'll give it a name of Qualtrics Survey Graded Passback. Of course, you can give it any name. And then I'll publish it while I'm there. And I'm going to edit it. And I'm going to give it some points. 5 points in this case. And we want to switch this submission type to external tool. And we need to find the external tool called graded external URL, but it's under the use, so you have to come down here. For some reason it's under use, maybe for URL, but gradable external URL is what you're looking for. Okay, so here we need to put in the Qualtrics survey. So I'm going to just go back over to Qualtrics. I'm going to just randomly select an old survey so that I can just get the link to that survey, distribution to that survey, grab the anonymous link, so that's the link that you need to grab to put into this assignment. And then you need to make sure you click on Grade Passback. And these are old instructions. You don't need to worry about them. Things have changed since that was written. And you do not select Launch in a New Window. That will cause an extra unnecessary step. So, and here you will click on Create Link. And then down toward the bottom of this dialog box, you do want to load in a new tab and then select. So that's what had to happen on the Canvas side. So we're going to save this. Now on the Qualtrics side, you need to get into your survey, and you need to go to the survey flow. In this survey flow, I've only got questions. Sometimes you'll have other things going on here, but I've only got questions, 24 questions in my survey flow. I need to add a new element. I need to add embedded data, and what I'm going to add is something called token. And go ahead and add that. Oops, that added the wrong thing. I clicked the wrong button. Anyway, it did add the token, and I want to just move this up to have it show up before the questions. And then one more thing I need to add is web service. Now in this URL for the web service, I need to go grab a link, and this link needs to be in some instructions that accompany this video. But you'll paste this link, and it refers back to that token that we created. And this all has to do with being able to pass a token back and forth between Canvas and Qualtrics so that they can do it securely. And as it's passing back the grade, the Canvas system has to get the right token, or it won't allow a grade to be added. And so here I'm going to check the fire and forget, and then I'm going to I think that's all I have to do, except I do want to, I'm not sure, honestly I'm not sure if this needs to stay above or below the question block, but I'm going to assume that it's okay to have it below. In some cases, in your flow, you'll have something called end of survey. And if you do have an end of survey, then you want to make sure that this is above end of survey. So that's what you need to do on this. Off screen, you don't see the button, but there's a save flow off screen. And so I'm clicking on save flow. That's going to save the flow for that survey. And those are the two things you need to do. And that's all you need to do. So when the student takes the survey, the grade will be passed back. The 5-point grade will pass back automatically.